I just thought I'd give you an update on the smoking issue. I've had a few people ask questions now about where I am with it. The ProVent 200 got rid of the oil blue smoke that I was having. Wasn't an instant fix. By the time you have to run the oil out the system, but after a couple of weeks there was no more blue smoke. Still having white grey smoke issues, over fueling. Changed the MAF and the map. Still the same. With the MAF unplugged, the problem went away. Couldn't get my head around it, so I took the car to be remapped because I was unsure of whether it was a faulty map on the car. So I asked them just to delete the MAF out of the map anyway as a precaution. Now, car runs spot on. No smoke whatsoever, blue or white or grey. Now the white or grey was due to do it over fueling. The remap got rid of that. As I said, the ProVent got rid of the blue. No engine lights on now. Car runs perfect. Gets the same MPG as I had before, about 45 on a run, 31, 32 round town. Got a nice new leather cover that I did the other day and carbon wrapped here. 40 quid off Amazon. I'll put the link below if you're interested. Certainly worth the money. So, to sum it up, just show under the bonnet. The ProVent doing its thing. Runs round the back. See my install video on that if you're unsure. You should see the map's unplugged now. No longer needed for the fueling of the car. Runs absolutely perfect on its generic map. ProVent doing its thing, taking 95% of the oil vapour out of the vapour going back in. I've had, let me show you quickly. Well, I'll show you these for now. These are the new angel eyes I bought. If you're interested in seeing a video on that, I'm going to respray all the housing black. Install these new ones. This was meant to be a canvas free kit, but that was bullshit. I had to buy the canvas error free, flicker free add-ons for 7 quid. This was the kit for the steering wheel. Brilliant kit. Quality was unreal. You get a choice of blue or green stitching. I went for the blue. Fitment was perfect. HTC Motorsport boost pipe down there. I haven't seen one spot of oil on that since I put it in. I've also changed all the seals on all the boost pipe, both sides of the intercooler and going into the EGR. I see no loss of power towards the top end of the RPM range now. The remap works perfect, no smoke. Over the moon with it now because I was that close to saying fuck it and putting it on eBay. But pleased now, really pleased. Full mods of the Speckless Star, downpipe, intercooler, EGR. Swirl flaps, big brake kit on the front, big concave out 20-inch alloys on the rear, drilled and grooved all the way around. It's got the Autovogue kit on it, double tailpipes. I do still get a little bit of soot on them. That's down to having no diesel particulate filter because it's been things, so you're always going to get a little soot, but there's no oil in it now. If you would like any more E92 content, 335D, give me a shout and I'll quite happily put some more videos up. Come in if you're interested. I bought 8.1 Android head unit to go in it, which I'll be doing an install video on, so please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks very much.